Have you ever wondered how analysts draw a straight line through a messy cloud of data points? That is the least squares method. It is a mathematical technique used to find the best fit for a set of data by minimizing the variance of the errors. The formula looks for the line where the total squared vertical distance between each data point, and the line itself is as small as possible. By squaring the distances, we ensure that both positive and negative errors contribute to the total, preventing them from simply canceling each other out. While an average just tells you where the center is, least squares tells you how one variable changes in relation to another. The resulting line acts as a model. Analysts use this to forecast future performance based on historical patterns found in the data. Remember that this method provides a mathematical best fit, but it is only as good as the data you feed into the model. Understanding these foundations helps you interpret financial charts with more confidence. Thanks for watching and stay curious.